Hello students, in this video I am going to tell you what is ionic strength, how to calculate it in less time, and for that I will give you one trick, and that is very easy trick. Okay, this ionic strength topic is very important because it is coming in so many exams like CSIR, then you have IIT JAM, then you have TIFR and your DRDO, then NEET exam. So it's very important and we have to understand it. Okay, so the theoretical part, the definition is saying a quantity representing the strength of electric field in a solution equal to the sum of concentrations of each type of ion present multiplied by the square of their charges. So these two things are very important for this. One is concentration and second is charge. So we have to focus on these two things, concentration and charge. In short, you can define it as it's a measure of the concentration of ions in the ionic solution. Okay, now for understand it, I am giving you two solutions. One is NaCl and concentration is 3 molar. Second is NaCl, concentration is 1 molar, and for both I am dissolving in H2O. So I am dissolving both NaCl samples in H2O. H2O is a polar solvent. Okay, so we have some charges, like for oxygen we have delta negative charges and for hydrogen we have delta positive charges, right? For NaCl we know that we have two type of ions will be there in solution, Na positive and Cl negative. So Na positive, when its concentration is 3m, okay, and Cl negative, here also we have Na positive and Cl negative, but the distance between these two ions and the interionic interaction in this first solution, that will be very different from the second solution. The reason is concentration. Okay, we have taken the charges same because the solution is same, NaCl, the electrolyte is same. So here I am telling you about the concentration. So when you will increase the concentration like 1 to 3, so the distance will be less, the interionic distance will be less, the interionic interaction will be different. Okay, because the ionic atmosphere around these two ions will be very different when you are changing the concentration. Here the distance will be more and the behavior of these two ions towards each other will be different. Okay, this was the part of concentration. Second is the charge. Suppose one solution is NaCl, okay, and another solution is CaCl2. Here the charges are different. Here the charges are 1 and 1, Na positive and Cl negative. But here the charges are 2 and 1, Ca2 positive and Cl negative. So when the charges are different, then also the behavior of the charges or ions will be different. This was the theoretical part. Okay, this is how the solutions are behaving actually. Now we will go for the calculation part. So calculation is dependent upon this formula. It is saying the formula is 1 by 2 or half summation of Mi into Zi square. Mi is the concentration part and Zi is the charge of ion. So two things are very important, concentration and charge. Okay, so it is expressed in moles per liter or you can express it in mole per kg. Now we will solve one question, then it will be easy to understand. Suppose one solution is there of 3 molar concentration and solution is KCl, potassium chloride. When it will dissociate, you will be having K positive and Cl negative. And this is 3 molar solution, and we know that 1 molecule of KCl is giving 1 K positive and Cl negative. So 3 molar solution will give you 3 molar. The concentration of K positive will be 3 molar, means same concentration, and for Cl negative also 3 molar, because number of ions are same. For one molecule there are 1 K and 1 Cl negative, therefore the concentration will be same for both. Second thing is, this is the concentration part. Second thing is charge. So charge, already I told you, for K positive the charge is +1 and for Cl negative the charge is -1. So 1 charges are +1 and -1. Now I am following that formula. I means ionic strength is equal to summation mi zi square. So there are two charges, there are two ions. So for first I will consider, for K positive I will consider M1Z1 square, and for Cl negative I will consider M2Z2 square. Okay, so this is how I am going to calculate it. So it will become half M1 means K positive, concentration is 3M and charge is +1 square, plus M2 means your chloride ion, again concentration is 3M and charge is -1 square. So this is how you will get 3M, right? Next is, this question came in IIT JAM 2014 and they are asking you for Fe2SO4 whole thrice. So we know that when it will be dissociated, we will get 2 Fe3 positive, 2 ferric ion and 3 sulfate ion. And the solution is 0.1 m. So we know that 2 Fe3 positive will be there. So 2 into 0.1 plus 3 into sulfate, 3 into 0.1. So concentrations are 0.2 and 0.3, right? This is M1, you can say concentration, and this is M2. Then Z1 means charge. So for for iron or ferric, the charge is +3, and Z2 charge is -2. For sulfate ion, charge is -2. Then just we have to put in the formula. So M1 means 0.2 and charge is 3 square, plus M2 0.3 and charge is -2 square. So when you will solve it, it will come as 1.5 molar solution, right? So this is how we are calculating. And then we have a mixture. So calculate the ionic strength of solution made by mixing equal volumes of 0.1 m NaCl and 0.01 m CaCl2. So NaCl, when it will be dissociated, you will get 1 Na positive plus 1 Cl negative, right? So it is 0.1 m. So you will get 0.1 m Na positive and same 0.1 m Cl negative. But if you have CaCl2, then you will be having 1 Ca2 positive plus 2 Cl negative. So Cl are both, like chloride ion are present in both. So here if you have 0.01 m, so you will get 0.01 m Ca2 positive plus 2 into, because 2 ions are there, so it will become like this. Okay, 0.02 it will become. Now, so we have Na positive, then we have Ca2 positive cations, and then we have Cl negative, and Cl negative is present in both, right? So here if I am taking Z1 value, so for this +1 Z value, okay, Z1 will be +1, Z2 I am 1 I am taking for Na, 2 subscript I am taking for calcium, so it is +2, and Z3 means third ion is chloride ion and charge is -1. Now I am putting in the formula. So half, and then first ion is Na positive, its concentration is 0.1 and then charge is +1 square. Then second is your Ca2 positive Z2, okay, its concentration is 0.01 m, 0.01, and its charge is +2 square. Now Cl. So Cl is present in both. First I am taking Cl in NaCl. So concentration is 0.1 and charge is -1 square. And then in CaCl2, the concentration is 0.02, charge is same. So this is how we will calculate it, and answer will be 0.13 molar. So this is how we can calculate, okay, in detail. Now I am telling you the best part of this video, that is trick. Okay, so trick is telling you, suppose you have 1,1 type electrolyte. 1,1 means charges. So NaCl is having Na plus and Cl negative. Okay, so charges are 1,1 type. So if you have this type of electrolyte, ionic strength will be 1 into M means concentration. So ionic strength will be 1 into concentration. If you have 2 type, means the charges are 2, +2 and -2, Cu 2 positive and sulfate 2 minus. So this is called 2 type electrolyte, and for this ionic strength will be 4 into concentration. Likewise, if you will learn all these, so it will be very easy and you can calculate ionic strength in less than 1 minute. Now I am giving you one example. Suppose you have NaCl. So this is 1 type. Okay, so here ionic strength will be according to that table, ionic strength should be 1 into concentration. Suppose I am taking concentration as 2 molar. Okay, 2 molar NaCl solution. So how you will calculate it? See this. Half M1 means concentration will be same for both, because one Na positive will be there and one Cl will be there. So you will write 2 into Z1 square plus 2 means for Cl negative, and charge is -1 square. So you will get like this, 2 plus 2, 4 by 2 means 2. Okay, so it is exactly what I have told you in the table. 1 into concentration. 1 into concentration I have imagined as 2m. So 1 into 2m means 2m. Okay, so this is how you can calculate in less than 1 minute. For second example also you can consider. Here the ionic strength will be 4 into concentration. So whatever will be the concentration, just multiply by 4 and you will get your ionic strength. I hope this trick will help you in your exams. Thanks for watching.